Hello. In this video, I will guide you through the process of paying for the annual subscription to the Private Guide World platform using various payment methods and a promo code, if applicable. Firstly, open the website WPG World on your smartphone browser or laptop. Log into your account using your registered email address. Navigate to the Buy Subscription section. Here, you'll find the country you selected in your profile and the corresponding cost of an annual subscription. If you operate in multiple countries, you'll see a list of them along with the relevant prices. Remember, if your business spans several countries, you must pay for each individually. In our case, we're focusing on Jordan. Click the Add button to include the country in your order list. The selected country will now appear on your shopping cart. At this point, if you possess a promo code offering a discount, tap the promo code field and enter the code, which typically consists of letters and numbers. Be cautious about letter case sensitivity. Press the circle with an arrow on the right to activate your promo code and recalculate the final cost. You'll instantly observe the total sum change in your order list if entered correctly. This total reflects the amount you need to pay. The promo code feature is optional. If you don't have one, simply skip the step. Now click the next button to choose the most convenient payment method for you, a bank card or a PayPal account. Let's explore each option. Bank card payment. If you opt for a bank card payment, you'll encounter different options based on your country's financial agreements regarding international transactions. In our case, we're presented with the choices of paying with a credit card, SEPA Direct Debit, or ideal a Netherlands-based method enabling online transactions using bank credentials. Complete the required fields to proceed with the payment. PayPal payment. If you choose PayPal, you'll be redirected to your PayPal account. Enter your registered email and password, then select the relevant payment options within PayPal. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a push notification on your phone and an email confirmation at your registered email address, along with your bank confirmation. Your account will be immediately activated, and your subscription will be extended. You'll notice a new subscription expiration date beneath your avatar picture in your profile. We'll remind you about the expiration date 1 month and 2 weeks in advance, providing ample time to renew your subscription. Users with a paid subscription enjoy significant privileges, including enhanced visibility, stand out and captivate travelers with your unique offerings, unlimited access to tourist contacts and initial requests, respond to incoming tourist messages. This feature is exclusive to tour guides with a paid annual subscription. However, you can still receive and read applications from tourists without a subscription and purchase them at your convenience. Remember, our support service is available 24/7 via email at support@pgworld or on social networks. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to seeing you soon on our YouTube channel, Private Guide World, with other tutorial videos.